Hello friends and welcome to Tech2 Indians. Today in this tutorial I will show you quick review of K7 antivirus. Before showing about this, I will show you antivirus price on the online store. And first of all, I type K7 Gold antivirus. This is a K7 Gold antivirus lifetime version. I have buy it from Amazon. I will show you. I have get the latest smart price on this antivirus. The actual price of this antivirus is 3000 and I have got is 1364 rupees. So that's a good deal for this antivirus. This antivirus is a lifetime version. So I have used this antivirus for my PC. I already buy this antivirus from Amazon and install it in my computer. I have used this antivirus since 2-3 years and I have never get any problem from this antivirus. So I have buy a lifetime version for my PC now. I have show you this antivirus version. So this is the front UI of this K7 Ultimate Security, and this is a lifetime gold version antivirus. There is a no expiry date for this antivirus, and you can see the virus definition version of this antivirus, and if you update it regularly, so it will be best for your computer. Then first of all, I show you the scanning method, and this is the scanning you see here, and there are 4 options and these 3 options are given. Mainly we have used these 2 options, quick scan and complete scan, and other 2 scan also available. You can scan your computer from this section. I show you the quick scan. If you enter on quick scan, you get this type UI, and it will automatically scan your general files. And if you want to scan completely, then click on this file and your PC will be scanned automatically. It will require larger time as compared to quick scan, because it will scan your whole computer and processes. So now I stop this and show you the other variety of this antivirus. This is the root scan, which is similar. So you can schedule your scan, manage your scan and other applications. So the second option is update. From this section you can update your antivirus. Also you can configure your update. If you are using Wi-Fi, then you configure your update for your PC, and I show you the update process. And this is the update process. From this section you can update your antivirus. There are mainly 2 updates are available now, and it will be downloaded this time. The scanning process will be depend on your computer hard disk and the other component like processor and RAM, and it will be show the timings. Now in this time in my PC there are 4 GB RAM are present, so it will be take up to 1.5 hours to scan my whole computer, and the hard disk size of my computer is 1 TB now. So now the downloading file has been completed. Okay, now the update is successfully created, and the next option is backup. In this you can back up your whole file and OS from this section. And the next is tools. There are various tools of present. This is a 5 tools and this is 6 tool. This is USB fan ignition tool. You can fan ignition your tool USB from this section. And the second is register cleaner. You can clean your registry from this section. So the third option is browser cleaner. From this section you can clean your browser setting totally. And the next is computer tune up. This from this section you can tune up your computer without using any third-party application. And this is a secure delete. If any file not deleted by regular process, then you can delete your file from this section. It will be 100% delete this file from your hard disk. And this is IE cleaner, Internet Explorer, history cleaner. These all the things are very helpful for your PC. And the next is Windows temporary cleaner, and this is a temporary cleaner which can optimize your PC speed and help to increase your PC process speed. And The other option is internet temporary cleaner. As all same. And the next is activity history cleaner. If you search do any process on your computer, then your process has been recorded on your computer hard disk, then this section will be delete your all the history from your computer. Disk optimization and virtual keyboard. This will be optimize your hard disks, and this is a virtual keyboard. This will not use for long time. And the next I show you the settings, and these are the settings of your antivirus. In this you can use this setting as per your requirements. There are many settings are available. You can select your protection level from this antivirus. There are 3 sections are on high, medium and low. So you can define your level. Scanner, device access, you can lock your USB plug from this section. So when anybody plug in into your PC, then it will ask for password. And the next is general and other option. You can use this option as per your requirements. And this also these are the same options I have shown you that time. This is web protection. This is a very important application for your PC. It will enable your safe search during you can search any things on Google. Then it will be protect for your searching history and other things, and this will be helpful protect your data. This is very good antivirus for your computer system. I have used this antivirus since 2-3 years, and I have don't get any problem. And these are many options. You can block any site from this section. You can add this, remove this. Other parental control. You can control your PC with parental control mode. This is the privacy services. You can use the firewall setting from this section and other option. You can report your problem from this section. So there are support are also given. You can contact this K7 Ultimate Security Officer from this section, and there are also help section are also given. If you have any problem, search on this help option. You will get your desired answer from this section. If you don't get your desired option, then contact to K7 Ultimate Security. Then it will be contact you for your problem. So that's all about this K7 Ultimate Security. If you want to use this antivirus, then must buy this antivirus for your PC. It will be more helpful for your PC protection. I will suggest you buy this antivirus. When you change your PC, then you can change this antivirus device from one device to another device. It will ask your password and username. Then it will be help you to transfer this antivirus software from one PC to another PC, and this is possible for this antivirus. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please hit the like button, share it and subscribe my Tech2 Indians channel.